This is Windsor High Street, I believe. Oh, it's a road in Windsor that's quite busy, so it might be High Street, I don't know. And there's the castle. So that is the shambles here in Windsor, which doesn't looks like it's got some subsidence. Quick, cross the road, cross the road. Cross the road, whilst the green man's on. Cross the road.
It's red man.
And this is Queen Victoria. I reigned for 64 years, you know.
No, you didn't.
Why didn't she reign for 64 years? This is a statue of Queen Victoria outside Windsor Castle. It's pretty cool. It's not English heritage, Joshua. And I've got English heritage as well, but this is not English heritage. See, it's closed. It says quite clearly, Windsor Castle closed, because they're the guards who are guarding the castle.
Okay, no. Why can't you go in if you have English?
Because it's not an English heritage property.
Yeah, but why?
Because it's not.
Genuinely
It's
why?
probably a royal property.
It's also not open. Look at this street, how cool it is.
Yeah, it is cool. It's a compliment.
We are tourists.
No.
Are we from Windsor? No.
Yeah, but we're from England.
Uh-huh. Rich magnetos.
No, you haven't even really been here. So.
No, I haven't been to the castle, so I can't get a fridge magnet. Fortescue's gelato.
They do mango.
Yeah, they don't do anything when they're closed.
Yeah, I know that.
Nell Gwyn. Who's Nell Gwyn? Nell Gwyn was one of Charles II's concubines.
What's a concubine?
One of his ladies. So look, that's pretty interesting. So what have we got here? We've got Henry. So we've got William the Conqueror, founder of the castle, then Henry I, then Henry II, his badge, then Henry III, which has 3 lions on it. Then Henry IV, where it's quartered with 3 lions and 3 fleur-de-lis, because they still claimed part of France then. And then Edward IV, and then Edward III. Well, this is all very out of kilter, this, isn't it? I don't understand.
Then Henry VIII.
And then Henry VIII. Got some blue plaques. The Windsor and Eton Society refurbished its gardens to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee. And Freddie Shenstone MBE. Secret Burger. Yeah.
Why did they just randomly slam in Edward I?
I don't know.
When they were in the 1400s.
I don't know. It's very strange. I don't understand.
I thought that.
China kitchen. This is an interesting part of Windsor. Why is this post box? Why is it green?
So
Isn't that probably a really old
Hello.
Why is it green?
Hello. We are.
Windsor Royal Shopping Centre. Historical Windsor. That Wham!
Where?
The corgi statue. Who are the corgis? The Windsor Lady. A celebration of Her Majesty the Queen's Diamond Jubilee in 2012. Oh, this might actually be the Queen. You gonna rub the corgi's ear for luck, Josh, like everybody else has?
Yay.
Hello, corgi. You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.